Assalamualaikum, this is Muhammad Sanaullah and today I am gonna teach you how can you bypass two-factor from your Facebook account. From this video you're gonna learn how to bypass Facebook two-factor without any code or other things. So first of all, you just have to click on facebook.com and then you have to enter your email and password to log into your account. When you log into your account, Facebook asks for the two-factor authentication code and we will bypass this code. So enter your email and password to get in your account. Let's see, let me type my password. So just click on login button and it will redirect to the two-factor authentication required. So now what you have to do, as you can see here, it requires two-factor authentication code. So many of the people who don't have their mobile or they are traveling, so how they can bypass these type of problems? So first of all, you just need to click on this link, need another way to authenticate. So as you can see, just click on link. So it says how to check code generator, but you don't have even access of your account. So how you can log into your account? So as you can see, the last option is other options. Just click on this drop down and click on submit a request to Facebook. Now you just have to write your full name. So you can also read the top title, login approvals code issues form. How you can access when you log into your account? You can simply go to this link and then submit to a request to Facebook and you will redirect to this page. So let's write my full name here to access my account. Many of the people ask me to do this for them, but to be frank, I am making video to teach. You can easily follow these steps to make things happen. Like if you are having this issue, then you can easily follow the steps and go to your account. So you can enter the mobile service provider you have, mobile network service provider. So in this case I am writing my local network name, and then you have to provide the issue what you have facing. So here I am selecting other. Now you have to describe what you are facing. So here I am writing hello Facebook team. Anything you can write that you're facing and then reinstate your account. You just have to write a good appeal to get your account. Now you just have to upload your ID card. So many of the people ask me that which type of ID should them upload. So in this case you can upload any type of computerized ID, but there should be your name and your date of birth to confirm your Facebook account. Let's click on choose file to upload your ID card and then select the directory to find the image. So I have just uploaded my ID card. So now you just have to click on the send button. So it says thanks for connecting Facebook. You should receive an email response shortly. So you will get email maybe instant or maybe later. So let's check our email For further confirmation, maybe we got an email. Let's check again. So I did not get any email. So you can get email in some hours or maybe some days. It depends on Facebook. So maybe there could be issue for, like, we are suffering from COVID, so there would be time issue or something else. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and comment if you face any problem, and subscribe for these kind of informational videos you will get in future too. Thank you very much.